Welcome back to Four-Wheel Drive Adventure Crew. My name is Voss, and today I want to show you our Rocklander Overlander Jeep in our crew, which is my sister's Jeep, and it's a 1999 Jeep XJ. And here's the owner and driver of this vehicle, Tanya. So, what is this thing?
It's my Jeep. I got it in 2020. Got a great deal, but I put in a lot of work. Well, my money put in a lot of work. Voss did most of the job on this Jeep. It went through several upgrades. Every time, like, oh, I think this is done, and then we find like, now we want bigger. So now I started with 33s, now 37s, and it grew fast. Let's see, what else did we do?
We can't say the same for your bank account.
My bank account's fine. We got nice fenders, armor on it.
What's your tent and the canopy setup? That's what we had for a while, huh?
Yes, we got it a little bit over a year ago. Katja sponsored this since she gets to sleep in it. So it's from Ironman.
4x4, yeah. This is a 1400 something rooftop tent with
Yes.
the 270 degree awning.
Yep. So it's very, I like how spacious it is inside there. Two of us fit perfectly. We're not in each other's way. I did have to replace a mattress because I like to sleep on soft things. We have 4 walls. We only installed 2 this time because it was not very windy. We just needed to protect the kitchen. So, and then we have a bigger grate in the kitchen.
Yep. We can bring in the expert that built this thing.
Yes, so James built this for me, and it's pretty nice. It's custom built. Things pull out. We have now good tables. They pull out really well. We have a nice bin to hold all of our stuff in here.
Push it down.
We need a handle.
Yep.
We talked about it already. Fridge is still here, so it's pretty nice. We used it this morning. It was comfortable. And then we also did backseat delete, which was my dream for a while.
As you can see, the back seat is completely full of stuff, or back seat area, but you have big openings right here to fit everything in.
It's really nice. I'm very happy with it. So, yeah.
All right. So, well, I'll take over what's in the Jeep. And basically, Tanya's Jeep has a 4.6 stroker engine. It's a level 1 stroker. Basically, it's lower compression, so it's not high horsepower. So it still takes regular fuel. It doesn't need to be any special fuel or anything like that. And we got a good deal on some Rubicon Diesel Gladiator axles, and that's what she has in there. So she has the most beefiest axles out of our fleet. They're the most heavy-duty axles out of the current Jeeps you can get before you go into 1-tons. Because when you go into 1-tons, you got to change a lot of things, and these actually roll in pretty well. And you've probably seen a couple of videos, and I can put them in that description down below about when we did the swaps on the axles and everything. So, but right now it's sitting currently on Method Bead Grip wheels with BF Goodrich KO2 37-inch tires. We have, I think it's Rough Country springs and Fox shocks all the way around. So this whole thing rides nice and smooth, even though for the weight it has, it's a very, very capable vehicle. And it's been proven. We took it to Barrett Lake, and we did pretty well, minus the steering box issue, but that was just a part failure, not the vehicle failure. But overall, this thing's amazing. We built one of those eBay custom weld your own kit bumpers. We have an old Harbor Freight winch that works good. No need to change it while we have it. And you know, brand new headlights. We just put those in, still testing them out. Not sure how good they are. We have aux beam light bar and pod lights. So, but pod lights, that one already failed. It's already got moisture in it, which is no bueno. It's only been a year, and it's already starting to, you know, show that it's not weather-proof product. So, we'll be looking and replacing that soon, probably. But overall, this thing is pretty beefy.
All right. Another thing that I really like about my Jeep is we took out the back windows and replaced them with these boxes. Boss built this. I have one of my boxes is for the air compressor, which is so nice that it's no longer in my trunk. So especially in the winter times, I don't have to keep my trunk open when I need to fill up my tires. And it's auto stop, so which is really nice for me. See, as soon as it's full, it turns on. Yep. So it's very comfortable, and I really enjoy it. Since I have a rooftop tent, I need to be able to get in up to the top. It came with the ladder. I don't bother using it because I can just climb on my Jeep. It helps to have the step, the fender flares, and this bar. Usually I just climb up and I'm in. So, yep, no need for a ladder when you have stuff on your Jeep that you can climb on.
So yeah, so basically rear seat delete is really helpful when you have a bunch of stuff to store. And there's still stuff we're gonna be modifying.
Yep, as we use, we'll see what we needs to get done, how it needs to get fixed. So yeah, it's very nice to have somebody who can do this stuff for us.
Yeah, so you guys can go check out Angry Camper's video on how he built this whole thing, the whole madness of what he went through his head when he was trying to figure this out, how to build it for her. But overall, good job.
Thank you. If you guys are enjoying this kind of content, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell. You know, also we have merch down there that's listed in the description. Check that stuff out. That helps get these videos out to you and helps support the channel. This is all fully self-funded, so any help that we get, that'd be certainly appreciated. This was a very fun build because it was taking something that they already had a system that worked, and so it was taking that and trying to refine it and making it bigger and better with more areas for preparation, more areas for storage, and tidying up the electrical system as well. Yes. So there was a lot in that thought process, for sure. Mm-hmm. So what is your favorite thing about it so far?
That things slide out and they slide out smoothly.
Excellent, excellent.
And nice big bin, the drawer where I can keep the pots and pans.
Excellent.
So no more in the, so I would still carry the bins, but that's for the things that we kind of need, like extra stuff, but like stuff that can stay in the Jeep is gonna stay in the drawer.
Perfect.